Pair of words, ability, power of doing. On the basis of his ability, he was promoted. Capacity, power to understand. His capacity for physics is limited. Accede, to agree. Shahid acceded to my proposal. Concede, to admit to be true. Shahid conceded the truth of what I said. Accept, to take. Please accept my sincere thanks. Accept, excluding. All except you may go. Access, approach. Shahid has no access to the Chief Minister. Excess, more than enough. Excess of eating is bad for health. Adopt, to make fit. Adapt yourself to your circumstances. Adapt, thoroughly proficient. Tayyiba is very adept in painting. Adopt, to take up. Do not adopt unfair means in the examination. Advice, suggestion. He did not act upon my advice and failed in the examination. Advice, recommended. Verb, we were advised not to go. Admission, enters to a society of persons or class or things. He seeks admission to the MA classes. Admittance, being admitted to a place. No admittance without permission, for it was with great difficulty that I gained admittance to the hall. Ad, advertisement. See the ad in the classified section of the newspaper. Add, to join. Add the figures.